And if you need to rotate your paper, you can do that. In the second one, you're going to draw half arcs, half of a circle arc. So make a mark of a quarter inch from the top line and quarter inch from the bottom line. And there are 2 points. You're going to draw 2 lines. And these 2 lines can be 1/8 of an inch apart from each other approximately. Now this is going to be like a diameter of that half circle, and the center of that, go ahead and mark a center of that arc, and then draw a horizontal line, and this being the radius, you have to draw this line equal to that vertical line. So this is going to be the radius of this arc. So now you have 3 points. Now you can join your half arc, and if you need another point equal to the radius, you can draw that. Also, if it helps to draw a line, go ahead and do that. So you need to join this with an arc. And then the right-handed arc. So again, you can draw some reference lines and mark those equal to the radius, and then join those. And rotating paper, if it helps, you can do that based on your comfort level. In the third one, again leave a 1/4 inch from the top and 1/4 inch from the bottom approximately, and then mark the center of the 3/4 circle. Now this arc is going to be 3/4 of a circle. Go ahead and mark points equal to the radius of that circle, and arc this is the 1/4, and this is the half circle, and the 3/4. In the second row, we are going to draw the ellipse that is enclosed in a rectangle. So we're going to draw a rectangle, leave 1/2 inch from the left side and 1/2 inch from the right side, and then 1/2 inch from the top line and 1/2 inch from the bottom. So draw that rectangle in construction line. That means it's a light line. You're not going to press your pencil too hard, and keep it also thin. Mark the midpoint of each line, and then draw an arc through the tangent through the tangent point. And then connect. Make sure these arcs are smooth in construction line, and then you can go ahead and darken it. Smoothing over the arc. In the second one, make a bigger one, and that will require you to leave 1/4 inch from all sides. So you're going to draw this rectangle in construction line. That's why it's light. And then you're going to mark your point on the mid point on the line, each line. And your arc is going to pass through those points. and then connect them. And then smooth over in the third one. I'll leave 1/8 of an inch from the top, from the left, and from the bottom. Mark the midpoint of each line, and then draw an arc passing through each point. In the third row, we are going to draw the ellipse in a different way by drawing the center line of the ellipse, the major axis and the minor axis. So draw a line, and you're going to leave 1/2 inch from both sides, horizontal line, and then leaving 1/2 inch from the top and 1/2 inch from the bottom. So this is the major axis of the ellipse, and this is the minor axis of the ellipse. And these are the limits of the sides. Now you're going to draw the arc that passes through those points. And then darken. In this rectangle, leave 1/4 inch from all sides. So again, this is going to be bigger. 1/4 inch from the top and 1/4 inch from the bottom. And then in the center, draw a horizontal line. This is going to be the major axis of the ellipse. And then center line, drawing the minor axis of the ellipse. Then draw an arc that passes through this point, this point, this point, and this point. And then connect them with arcs. Then smooth over with darker line. For the last one, you're going to leave 1/8 of an inch from the top and 1/8 of an inch from the left, right, and bottom. Again, this is going to be the major axis and minor axis, so you're going to draw a horizontal line and then mark the center point, and then draw a line through that for minor axis. And draw the arc that passes through the top point, the bottom point, the left one, and the right one. Connect them with the arcs. And darken it. For further practice, you are going to draw 1/8 of an inch apart for the lines. So you mark those points here and draw at least 3. Each point is 1/8 of an inch apart. Write the title over here in all caps. Arcs and Ellipses. Name. Date. And block.